Hi, this is Mrs. Scholes, and I want to show you how to do this assignment on geology in the great outdoors. This assignment is something that you'll do for both quarter one and quarter two. I'm making this video with the quarter one content, but it is the same assignment for quarter two with just different topics. So when you're in the Edgenuity prompt, you're going to click Read More, and that will bring up all the directions here. You were told at the beginning of the quarter what you were supposed to be doing, looking for geology and evidence of geology as you're hiking or you're out driving or even in your own backyard. And this is now where you're going to put what you've been practicing all quarter into play. So you're going to start by filling out this Google form. Once again, it has the directions up here. You're going to be taking pictures and making a video where you explain the geologic feature, how it's formed, and how it connects to what you've been learning in class. This one is quarter one, so it has these topics. If you're doing quarter two, you'll have different topics. If you can't get out and about, you can go to the National Park or State Park website and find something on there. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to fill this out by putting your email address, your first and last name, the location of the geologic feature. So where did you take the picture? So I got mine in Snow Canyon State Park, and then I'm going to hit Add File. I did this on my computer. I have a picture on my desktop, but you can also fill out this Google form from your phone, which makes it really easy if you have pictures just on your phone, or you can put the pictures on your computer and do it that way too. So here's my picture of Snow Canyon. And then now you're going to make a video, okay? There is a whole thing here that is guidelines. So make sure you're telling stating your name at the beginning of the video. Make sure that your face, like right here in the corner, is showing that the audio is working. A lot of times students submit them without the audio working. We have a little bit of just privacy, making sure there's nobody in the background, making sure that you're dressed appropriately, making sure that you're speaking clearly, those kinds of things. Here are some options of different editing software. Canva is a great one. This is all the directions for that. Google Vids is a great one. These are all the directions for that. But you'll make your video, and then you will, in that video, make sure that you explain what the geologic feature is. So my picture, I'm going to just open it right here so you can kind of see it. This is my dog Penny, and we went on a hike to Johnson's Arch. So there's actually several different things in here, but for quarter one, I would be talking about maybe the layers in the rocks and relative dating, how these layers at the bottom are going to be older than the layers at the top. And Snow Canyon is actually a really great example of that because you can see even the colors, like the white rocks and the red rocks. That's really cool. So that's what I would explain, what that geologic feature is, and then how it formed. So how do those layers of rock form? And then how does that connect to what you learned in geology? What did you learn in this class about the layers of the rocks? Here's the rubric. You're going to get 20 points for having that picture on there, 30 points for explaining the geologic feature, 20 for connecting it to class, and then 15 for making sure that you're speaking clearly, that it's easy to follow and organized, that you're following directions, those kinds of things. You'll upload your video here. So I just showed you how to upload with the picture. I don't have a video right now, but you're going to upload your videos right there. And then you're going to go back into Edgenuity and you're going to copy and paste this sentence right here. I've completed my video assignment and I'm ready to move on. So you'll come back here to the box and you'll put that there, and then you'll hit submit, and then you'll come back to your Google form, and I've submitted the Google form, I've submitted the statement, and I'm ready to move on. You'll submit that Google form. Oh, it's not going to let me do it without a file. I will just really quickly add the same picture, but don't do that. You guys have to do a video. Don't add a picture of the same picture twice. So I'm going to put my picture of Penny back on there. And then now that I have everything in there, I'm going to go ahead and submit that. And then as a teacher, I will get the Google form, and I will see in Edgenuity that you copied and pasted the sentence, and I'll go find your picture and your video on the Google form, and I'll get it graded. So please reach out if you have any questions. Thank you so much.